Hi, my name is Aranza Moreno, and today, as part of my personal project, I will first teach you some key information about a computer's memory, and second, I will be changing my computer's RAM capacity to teach you how to do it and some parts about it. First of all, so you can understand the procedure, I will explain what the computer's memory is formed. Basically, it has three components, which are the hard drive, the RAM, and the ROM. The hard drive is where basically all the information in the computer is stored and where it all accesses it. The ROM is the read-only memory, and it has certain parts of the operative system that cannot be changed, and it's just impossible to change it. The last one is the RAM, which is the random access memory, which is the memory that works when you turn on the computer. It takes parts from the ROM and from the hard drive so that it turns on easily without having to access all of the data in the hard drive or all of the data in the ROM. And it works by taking each part and making it work as you work on your computer. Right now, my computer has a total of 4 gigabytes of RAM memory, and I will be replacing them with these two cards that will give me a total of 16 gigabytes of RAM memory. By replacing the RAM memory, I will help my computer improve the performance and its speed, and this will help me for my computer to work faster. And now let's start the procedure. The materials you will need are a toolkit specialized for electronic components, the memory cards that you want to replace, and of course your computer. When you start, make sure to divide your screws into a certain place so that you know the order in which they go, because some of them are different sizes and you don't want to confuse them. Also, don't worry about your warranty because it won't be voided by changing the memory, it just stays the same. To get started, turn your computer and put it on the back, and we will unscrew all the screws that are in the bottom part. These 3 screws are different. They are longer than all of the other ones, so make sure to separate them and remember where they are. They are the top right. When you open your computer, you will see the different parts. This is the RAM, the one we will be changing. This is the hard drive, the other part of the memory. And the ROM can't be seen because it's underneath this, but it's there. Now, to remove the RAM memory, you will have to take these 2 parts and pull them to the side, and the RAM will pull out by itself, and you just pull it and divide it. And then you will do the same one with the one underneath. You will pull here, and it will basically do the same, but this one you might need a little more help to get it, so maybe take one of these to pull it. Now that you have these free, you will take your new RAM memories and you will open them. And you will put them in the same place where the old ones were. There's one. And there's the second one. Now the procedure is done, so you need to close your computer and put the screws where they were. Now that you're done, you turn the computer around, open it, and turn it on. And now the last thing we need to do is check that the memory is there. So you click on the Apple and About This Mac, And when it opens, you can clearly see in memory that it says 16 gigabytes. First of all, this procedure has helped me change the memory of my Mac so that now it can work faster and so that I can have a better time working with it. But it also helped me learn about the memory of a computer and how the different parts work and how they all work together to help the computer.